Welcome to next class. Now we have to discuss 50 problem number 50. Here they given ratio of copper and zinc. How much they given ratio? 9:5. So here they given weight of zinc. How much? 9.5 grams. So then weight of copper we have to find. Weight of copper. See here this one ratio chapter last year also we get. Here in this ratio 9 is called copper term, zinc term is 5. So here first term, second term, here second term they given zinc term, here weight of zinc they given. So then what we have to do? Weight of zinc by in the ratio weight of term zinc term into we have to find copper, no? So copper we have to write there. So then what you will get here, see, with 9.5 if you divide with 5, what you will get, see here, 5 ones are 5, 9 minus 5 4, so decimal point place there and carry 5, 5 nines are 45. So what is answer? 1.9 into 9. So 9 nines are 81. 9 ones are 9 plus 8, 17. Very hard to place decimal point here. So 17.1. 17.1 grams. What is answer? 17.1 gram. Option B is correct. Option B. So here, like these problems, if they given copper means here you have to divide with the copper term. Here they given weight of zinc, no? So weight of zinc by term of zinc into copper term we have to do. Like this you have to do this type of problems. In ratio chapter last year also we gave. Next problem. 51. Problem number 51. 30 plus 1 plus 6 by 10 plus 2 by 100 divided by 9 plus 3 by 10 by 10 plus 4 plus 6 by 10 plus 2 by 100 divided by 4 plus 3 by 10. See here, look here. Expanded form of decimal number here. 30 plus 1 how much? 31. After with 10th place, no, here 6 by 10 means 10th place. So before decimal we have to place 62 divided by 9.3 by 14.62 divided by 4.3. So this one you have to divide. First numerator I am simplifying, see here, 31.62 by 9.3. Division. See here, 31.62 by 100. Reciprocal we can take now. First write by 93 by 10. So what you will get? 3162 by 100 into 10 by 60, 93. 10 by 93. 0 get cancelled. See here, this is possible with 3. 3 ones are 3. Okay. 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. Here 3 ones are 3. 0. 3 fives are 15. 3 fours are 12. So with 2 table, 2 fives are 10. 2 fives are 2 twos are 4. 2 sevens are 14. Next here what you get? 527 by 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. Next you simplify denominator also. So observe here, first numerator I simplified here. 31.62 this one divided by 9.3. Here 14.62 divided by 4.3. First I simplified only numerator. 31.62 means you can write 3162 by 100. Here 9.3 means 93 by 10. So reciprocal, if you take 10 by 93, here simplified 0 cancel. With 3 table first I simplified, after 2 tables, so we get this answer. Next denominator, look at, so numerator what we get here, 527 by 155. Next denominator, observe denominator. Denominator, what here denominator, 14.62 by 4.3. 1462 by 100 by 43 by 10 you get. So 1462 by 100 into 10 by 43. So 1462 by 430. 43 into 10, 430. So now if you simplify, what you will get? You take 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 5s are. Here 2 7s are 2 3s are 2 1s are. So it is not possible. So there you take 731 by 215. So now here see. Now numerator how much we get? 527 by 155 and denominator 731 by 215. So what is answer? 527 by 155 into 215 by reciprocal 731. See now. This is with 5 table, 5 3s are, 5 1s are, 5 4s are, 5 3s are. Next, if you simplify this one, multiply are not possible if any table. See here, 527 divide with 31, what you get? Or multiply see here, into 43 by 31 into 300, 731. So this one you have to simplify, you get answer. See here, multiply now. Or any table not possible here. Once you see, if you divide 31 table, 31 into 4, 31 into 3, 31 into 2. If you take one time, so again 7 times, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. So this value you get 17, and then this value you can observe here. So if you divide 731 with 43, 731 with 43, what you will get? 2s are more, you will get 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 more. So one time if you take 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 43, 1s are 43, 0, 3, 1. If you take 7 times, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 30. So here also you get answer 17 only. So this much length no need. Here only we can simplify. Look here. So here this one if you simplify still you get 527 by 155. If you divide with 5 tables, so here what you will get 215 by 731. So this value now only we simplified now. Here 31, here 43. So this value you get 17. This value reverse now 1 by 17. So 17 ones are 17 ones are. So what is answer finally? 17. So observe here. Once you check it, this value first I simplified, we get this fraction, and this value I simplified, you get here 731 by 215. So directly also we can simplify 215, 731. Here we simplified this one, we get 43 by 731. So if you take the reverse, what you will get 17. If you divide 731 with 43, you get 17 now. So here reverse 7, so you can write reverse 1 by 17. So 17 ones are 17. So what is answer? 1. Answer is 1. Option A is correct. So if you have any doubt, tomorrow again I will explain this one without confusion. So here first you have to simplify numerator, we get that answer, and denominator this answer. So like this you have to simplify. So today homework problems. Today homework problems 53, 56, 57, 58 problems homework. These problems are homework problems 53, 56, 57, 58. So today we completed this chapter. So children, all of you prepare first 2 fractions and decimals both. One day I will conduct exam, maybe Saturday or Sunday. All of you prepare well. Thank you. Have a nice day.